9 out of 10 people breathe air containing pollutants. We breathe in air every day, but if you actually saw what was in the air you breathe, you freak out. You could possibly be breathing in pollutants like carbon monoxide. I've gathered sources from the World Health Organization, books about air pollution, and opposing viewpoints. I've also gathered statistics from the EPA and WHO. Air pollution is a threat to the environment, and it causes health risks to everybody, but there is a solution to improve air pollution. Air pollution causes problems with the environment and our health, but there is a solution. Air pollution is such a big issue because it affects our environment greatly. We are losing our environment to air pollution. Our environment is becoming damaged by the second due to air pollution, specifically CFCs, which are chlorofluorocarbons, or carbon emissions. Carbon emissions, as we all know, comes from cars, and CFCs are from aerosols, like paints. These carbon emissions and CFCs damage our ozone layer, they create greenhouse gases, they allow UV rays to come in and burn, and they cause acid rain. An example of this would be smog. Smog is air pollutants, which is smoke from burning fossil fuels, and they release, again, carbon emissions. The importance of it is it causes climate change, thus global warming from carbon emissions. It raises global temperature, it melts the ice caps, and from the melting, it raises the sea level and spreads infectious diseases. According to the EPA, global carbon emissions from fossil fuels have significantly increased since 1900. Since 1970, CO2 emissions have increased by about 90%, with emissions from fossil fuel combustion and industrial processes contributing about 78% of the total greenhouse gas emissions increased from 1970 to 2011. Us as humans and our health are affected. According to WHO, ambient air pollution accounts for an estimated 4.2 million deaths per year due to stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic respiratory diseases caused by air pollution. An example would be smog in Los Angeles. This problem is imminent, but there is a solution that will solve this. People need to focus, learn, and care about our environment. They need to look at themselves and realize how they damage air quality and what they're breathing in. They will see what they're doing and will practice better habits. This will show people what we're breathing in every day and promote what they do when they practice better habits. The plan of action would be people change their habits traveling and at home. The step 1 will promote low emission vehicles and have people walk, bike, carpool, or use public transportation to get somewhere. Step 2, this is promote home energy efficient appliances and light bulbs, and try to avoid aerosol sprays. Through my plan of action, it will improve in every aspect. This will improve the air quality, and the results will be improving air quality from low emissions, less harmful air pollutants in the air, and will not raise global temperatures. The consequences of not doing this will be carbon emissions will constantly be increasing, and increasing global temperature, and will decrease air quality. Decreasing air pollution and improving air quality will make you healthier and better in this world. As you can see, air pollution is a serious issue that we have to deal with before it damages us and the environment. Air pollution is a serious threat to our environment and our health through dangerous air pollutants and smog. We can change this by creating new ways to travel and changing to energy efficient appliances and light bulbs. What would be your reaction if you were breathing in these air pollutants? Would you be happy or be disgusted at what you're breathing in? If you found out what you breathed in, you would want to fix it. Remember, 9 out of 10 people breathe in bad air. Be that one person that breathes cleaner. Be that person that cleans air for everybody to breathe in and improve their lives.